Yay, especially in the summer, our modems tend to overheat excessively. And due to this overheating, we experience occasional internet disconnections. So, how can we cool our modem? Let's start by opening a vent on the bottom cover. We'll direct airflow into the modem from this point. Instead of pulling air out, we use a blowing method to cool. Since we're pushing air inside, airflow will also reach through the open gaps to the internal components, providing more efficient, unified cooling. We'll draw voltage directly from the modem's voltage input. After connecting the fan, we'll check if there is any voltage drop. If there is, we might need to supply voltage from an external power source. But first, let's try it this way. As you can see, we're getting 10 volts from here. There's no noticeable voltage drop from this section. Even without an internet connection, the modem's temperature is between 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, around 38 to 39 degrees. It can even reach up to 40 degrees Celsius. On fans, you'll find directional arrows showing the airflow direction. That's how you know which way the air is being pushed. Now, I've connected the modem to the internet while running the fan. I didn't experience any issues, so I didn't need a second external adapter. If you install it like this and your modem experiences problems after the parallel connection, you can use an external adapter between 5 to 12 volts to power the fan and solve the issue. If we connect the fan directly, it will always stay on. So, what should we do? We'll add a switch. This way, when we turn off the switch, the fan will also turn off. That means we won't have to unplug the modem every time. So when we flip the switch on, the fan will start operating along with the modem.